Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the Rokid 2026 AI Glasses Style Smart Audio, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. I've gotta say, when I heard about smart glasses that can do everything except grant wishes, I was both excited and skeptical. Are we really ready for a pair of tech goggles that can make our lives easier? But after spending some time with the Rokid 2026 AI Glasses Style Smart Audio, I'm convinced that this thing is going to change the game. This product is perfect for anyone who's always on the go, whether it's a busy entrepreneur or an outdoor enthusiast. With its advanced features and sleek design, the Rokid 2026 AI Glasses Style Smart Audio is the ultimate travel companion that can help you navigate any situation with ease. Now, I know what you're thinking: smart glasses sound cool, but how do they really work? Let's dive into some of the coolest features that make this thing a game changer. First off, we've got the dual AI assistant powered by Gemini 3 and ChatGPT 5.2. Your hands-free knowledge partner is basically always at your fingertips, providing context-aware spoken answers to anything you see or ask. Imagine being able to recognize objects in real time, get instant information, and even complete creative tasks. It's like having a superpower on your face. Another feature that blew me away was the 12MP first-person camera with electronic image stabilization, EIS. This thing is a vlogger's dream come true. Capture crystal-clear photos and stable 3K videos from your perspective, all without needing to hold anything in your hands. It's perfect for capturing those special moments or just recording your daily commute. And let's not forget about the real-time global translator. Break language barriers instantly with this feature, which is powered by Microsoft Translator Online for 89 languages and built-in offline translation for 6 major languages: EN/CN/JP/FR/D/ES. Whether you're traveling for business or just exploring a new city, this thing can save your sanity in no time. Now, I've gotta say that the design of these glasses is seriously impressive. The ultra-lightweight 38.5G design ensures extended wear with no pressure points and reduced fatigue. It's like wearing nothing at all, which is exactly what you want from a smartwatch, right? But what really sets the Rokid 2026 AI Glasses Style Smart Audio apart is its battery life. With an estimated 6 hours of music playback, 5 hours of calls, 2 hours of online translation, or 45 minutes of video recording, this thing can keep up with your active lifestyle all day long. And for extended use, an optional charging case, sold separately, supports your AI assistant and recording needs throughout the longest journeys. I've gotta say, I was a bit concerned about the private open-ear audio feature at first. How do they ensure that it's not too loud or distracting? But after trying it out, I realized that the dual-directional AAC speakers deliver crisp, clear sound while enhancing privacy and maintaining awareness of ambient noise. It's like having your cake and eating it too. So, is this thing worth buying? Well, my verdict is yes. If you're someone who's always on the go or just wants to upgrade their tech game, the Rokid 2026 AI Glasses Style Smart Audio is a must-have. If this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one. The link to grab the Rokid 2026 AI Glasses Style Smart Audio is right below in the description.